Hello and welcome to another short informational video about a very useful video editor that I have found the other day. It is called Shotcut and it is completely free. More importantly, the software is very lightweight. It does not require high-end specifications to function and is therefore perfect if you are just starting out on YouTube. I will quickly run through some of the basics to help you get started. First, click on the Open File button to import a video file. Once the file is imported, it will automatically start playing in the display window. To perform any editing operation, simply drag the video from the display window onto the timeline. On the timeline, you are provided with a cursor, which is pretty standard stuff for any video editor. To split a particular video clip into two parts, simply move the cursor to the point where you want to create the split. Then click on the Split at Playhead button, or you can press the S hotkey to split the video clips. To join different video clips together, first import the video clip. As before, it will start playing in the display window. Drag this onto the timeline wherever you want to position this clip. Nice and easy so far. You can also quickly create the fade in and out effect by simply dragging one clip onto another. The video editor also comes with a few filters that you can apply to individual clips. Select the clip on which you want to apply the filter and then go to the Filter tab. Add a filter by hitting the plus sign. You can see the changes that any filter will produce in the display window. Last but not the least, I will show you the best settings for exporting the video for YouTube. Luckily, the video editor has a built-in preset for YouTube, and according to my experience, it works really well. Select the YouTube option from the presets list and you will see its properties at the right. If you don't see the properties, then click on the advanced option to see them. Here in the Video tab, the software will automatically detect the resolution and the frame rate of the videos that you have used, and you don't need to change any of the settings here. The only property that you might want to change is in the Codec tab. Here you will see the option to set the quality percentage. Obviously, a quality of 100% will be the best, and my recommendation is that you set it to that. But this will make the resulting video size very large, so just set it according to the resources you have. Anything above 60% will create very decent results. Finally, you can click on Export File, select a location and you are done. If this has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe as I post straightforward video tutorials on various different subjects regularly. Please feel free to also leave your suggestions in the comments below for future videos. Thank you for watching.